Hello everyone and welcome back to more Daily Race B action. We commence on the 2nd of December. Went to RedBull Ring for 5 laps of the Group 4s and it's a front wheel drive mid-engine show. It's the Evos! Oh yes, they're dominating the meta. And because it's the Evos, and because we haven't put it out on this channel, it dominated the Twitch channel, it's the return of the Miku-Bishi, which we did run in the GT7, I think in 2023, on the Twitch channel. And yeah, I thought, with Evos, it'd be rude not to at this point. 5 laps around this great circuit I really enjoy. Track limits can be an issue here though, which I don't get on with. I famously do not agree with track limits, but they do not agree with me. Here we go. It's mostly Evos. The Genesis G70 is part of the meta at the moment as well. And someone has not adjusted their brake balance, and that someone is me. There we go. Up to turn 2 we go. I'm not counting this little kink here, FIA. I don't care. This will always be turn 2 up here. Get nudged through, but that's fine. I can deal with that. They're going to go 3 wide ahead of us. Don't sandwich each other in. Don't cause a big crash. Down to turn 3. We want a top 9 finish. We want to get that DR back in the upwards trajectory. This is my second attempt at recording this. I got taken out by a Spaniard in the last one. Still very close ahead of us, which is nice. There's some places on the table if we get our pace up. If anyone ignores those track limits, we might pick up a place there as well. We have survived lap 1. Let's go. Good start. We've not made up a place, but we've not lost a place either. The Genesis sort of doing that's great defensive driving by Everic in front of us. Or Evic even. We'll go another look down to turn 2. No, mate, come on. There's defending and there's doing that. Whoa! Ken, my friend. Most Kens I've ever met in real life are really chill. Let's see if we can make some moves on Vanicoti in front of us even. He's going to close that one very late on us there. Might try to sneak back up the inside here. No, nothing doing there either. Okay, let's settle in for a second then. Let's not throw too many more shapes because we have got Evic coming back at us here. I'm going to do exactly what you just did to me. Why should I show you any different to what you just showed to me? No need for that. Let's keep it clean. He's getting aggressive. I wanted to get through that corner much quicker, but it was a Evo in the way. I need to clear him. I need to get past him. That needs to be exposed for this next corner again. I'm just going to get punted off. Okay, cool. He's going to give me no room down this right hand side again. I'm already alongside. Here we go. 3 into 1. And we come out on top. This is a cracker, this is. Right, let's try to escape this now. I'm going to get shoved out. And that race has been ruined. Who hit me off? One of those two did. Oh, that's just ruined it. That was a really good race as well. I'm going to get another hit here. And again. Oh, he's got a penalty anyway. Never trust ghosting. Well, if you didn't get track limits for the first one, Nike, you're going to get track limits for the second, or both. There you go. Don't make it 3 times, my friends. Don't make it 3 track limits for you, dude. I'm quite happy I didn't get a single track limits for me so far. I think that's pretty good for me, friend. I'd like to know who shoved me off. Meanwhile, we're only fighting for, what, 7th place? It's not even a GTWS race. There's no points on the line there or anything. Be interesting to see if any of the cars ahead of us beyond Nike have got penalties. Nope. Nope and nope. He does the right thing, gets off the racing line. I appreciate that, thank you. We come across the line to pick up 10th. Not our day today. But we had some good racing action in there. We had a fantastic side-by-side overtake at turn 2. Well, we were 3 wide up there. It was awesome. Thank you everyone for joining me for today's Daily Race B. I will see you guys next time for more Gran Turismo action. See you guys later.